My name is Avril, and today I will be unboxing the PAW Patrol Lookout Tower. So it has cool lights and sounds. It's over 2.5 feet tall. It is 3+, and on the side it includes Chase and Marshall. It comes with the Chase's little vehicle, little police car. It comes with 2 different pup packs for Chase and Marshall. So let's get this opened. I can't wait to test this out. This is gonna be awesome. Using all my oh, okay. I was just doing the wrong side, so that was actually easy. Maybe this part is not full. Too far away. Ooh, I see some pieces. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of pieces. Okay. Hey, a piece of the elevator. The rest of it over here. There's more bags in there. Ooh, I found Chase's car. Oh, I found the periscope. It's in the bag, so I can't see anything. How do I get this? What are the instructions? Can someone help? Ooh, this is Chase, Marshall, and the pup packs. What's this? It's tape. I'm Hulk. I'm Hulk. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay, let's try and get food. Think of Hulk. What would Hulk do? What would Hulk do? Yeah. I'm totally the strongest person on Earth. Now I can see you guys. Hello. Oh, I found the instructions. Ooh, let's get the characters out now. Don't tell me I lost. Oh, okay. I thought I lost some pieces for a second. Okay, let me get Chase out. Marshall. I get the names mixed up a lot. This is Marshall. Marshall. Now let's get Chase out of this plastic bag. He probably wouldn't want to be in here. So this is Chase. Very cute. A cute little police dog. Oh, and these are Chase's accessories. So these go on his back. So you can put one of these pieces in, like that. Now let's start building. Okay, maybe this isn't so easy. Okay, there we go. Oh, it says you have to rotate them as shown. I think I did that. I did that pretty well. I think this is gonna get hard now, because you gotta squeeze them in. Okay, maybe I'll need this a little closer. Yay! And zoom us right here. Okay. I'm not in step 10 yet. I wish. Yeah. Is this upside down? Yes, it's upside down. Too hard. I think I'm going to ask my dad for some help. So, yeah. Dad! Can I have some help building this? Ta-da! So my dad helped me build this. It's so cool. So first, it has a periscope. I see all of you watching this video right now. I see you guys. And when you move the periscope, you can see that the picture moves down here. So it's like you're actually seeing all of Adventure Bay. And it also has a pup pad where you can listen to all the pups' favorite phrases. So let's try Chase's. Let's try Sky's.
Take to the sky.
Now let's try Rocky's.
Reuse it.
Don't lose it, reuse it. The set only comes with Chase and Marshall. So if you want to get all the other characters like Sky, Rubble, Zuma, Rock, and Rocky, you have to buy them separately, unfortunately. Let's have Chase come up. A little too far up, Chase. Chase! Now go down the slide. Let's make you prepared so then you can go fast. And then you come down the slide all the way over here. Let's turn this. And then let's sit you back up. No, sit right there. And then, boom! Let's try that again. Boom! Chase is on his face. Okay, this is so much fun. Let's hit this, and there he goes. But wait, what about Marshall? Where did Marshall go? We gotta find Marshall. Where's Marshall? Where did he go? I searched for so long, and he isn't here. Well, let's go check the tower again. Maybe he went back up. We parked it, and now let's turn this so then we can get back in the elevator. Elevator's down. Let's change this. Let's have Chase wear this pup pack because this pup pack I feel like is more suited for this. Chase doesn't want his pup pack. Okay, so move! Okay, let's search around the Adventure Bay again. What? Marshall! Why are you on the roof? Marshall, you're not supposed to be on the roof. It's too dangerous up here. You could fall, and it's very high up here. Sorry, Chase. I just wanted to check the roof out. And the sunset's coming. It's a really nice view from up here. You should try it. Remember what Ryder said? If you go on the roof again, then you won't get any treats. I want treats. I want treats. Do you promise you won't do that again? I promise. All right. Then you can have some treats. The treats are so good. Is there any more trouble around? Let's see. I think that's all for today. Plus the sun's going down. Even though the sun's going down doesn't mean that there's not going to be trouble. Plus, I wasted all the time looking for you. You should get a consequence. The consequence is to go down the slide 2 times. Yay! He won't know I'm going to go in his car. Boom! And... Ow! 20 minutes later. Okay, where is Marshall? I have to go down there now. Let's go down. Ow! Ugh. Sometimes the elevator hurts me. Okay, Marshall. That's enough silliness for today. I think you gotta go to bed. You're getting crazy again. Come on. Come on. I don't want to lift you. You're heavy. Aw, you caught me. Fine. And I'm going to change my pup pack because I don't want a pup pack to sleep. I don't want my pup pack anymore. Come on, Marshall. Okay, well, let's just go to bed now. Good night. Good night, Chase. If you have all the characters and all the vehicles, then you could spin this and you can make them launch. I also really like the elevator because the pup can change its pup pack here. Plus, if You can make them fly. I believe I can fly. Like that. The pup can fly. Sir! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more unboxing videos, click here or click here. Goodbye. Ruff, ruff.